Introduce you another Galax Pro. Hi there guys, today's a beautiful day, very sunny, and I'm come introduce you another Galax Pro tool. This one is a reciprocating tool, which I'm gonna unbox it for you and show you what it look like or how performance. Alright, let's go into the box. So this comes with 3 blades for wood. There's 3 blades wood blades, 2 blades for iron, battery of course, and actually the machine. We cut metal, change the blade, the metal blade. Battery. Our Galax Pro, see, it's all dirty because I don't thank you guys. I should put for this for test, like you guys say, for the metal, through the, because I'm doing iron now, so I cut in other trees. I could put the not very big slugs, but little slugs in a board, like you guys say, and do the job. It's only very lightweight, it's not heavy. I got this 20 volts battery. It's very impressive too. It's very good. I quite like it. And so thanks Galax Pro for that. By the way, I'm not with sponsors. I'm not sponsoring this video. I just like this make. I think it's new, but I don't know. It's my second tool from them. See, to put the battery, just put it on. To put it out, just press the button. That's to take the battery out. Yeah, it's very lightweight. I hope you guys like this tool. I could you to buy. You don't buy my kit, you paid all the money because it's a brand. You do the same if you're not professional, if you want to for DIY at home. If you want just for use at home, now every day, it's perfect fine, do the job. You'll buy for like 59 this. You can buy 2 for 70. It's not too bad, it's a good price, it's affordable. Yeah, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share it.